Today I'm going to show you the WordPress LocHub Translate5 connection via the TAPICC protocol. Let's dive right in. Here I prepared a new page, the Translate5 mission page. As I'm hovering over the plus sign, you can see that my text has not been translated into any of these languages yet. For this demo, I'm going to translate the page into German. This is what the published file looks like. A job has already been prepared in LocHub. Now I will create a task within this job. I can go directly to Pages. It fetches the content from LocHub, which we will now mark ready for translation. I will quickly go to Translate5 to show you what it looks like. As you can see, there are only 2 tasks under the first step. A third one will be added now. Here is a command line application which normally runs automatically. The third task is now visible in Translate5. I will now click Go to assign this task to a user. To demonstrate the translation process, I will now log in as that user. This is the complete context translation editor, and here you can see the layout of the file. It looks like it did in WordPress earlier. This option is available for every file format and every CMS and PIM system. The text has already been pre-translated by DeepL. We will change a segment in which DeepL made a mistake. I save this segment and approve that the rest of the translation is okay as it is. I leave the task and say that I finished the job. Here you can see that it is finished now. We are now switching back to the command line to fetch everything to LocHub again. This process usually runs in the background, so you will never have to do this. Now the job is back in LocHub, so I refresh the page to show you that the status has changed to Delivered. I can now click on Publish to Source, which will bring everything back to WordPress. When I refresh the page again, you can see that the text has been translated into German by hovering over this pencil icon. Here you can see the English version of the page. When we scroll down, you see that the option to switch to the German page is available. This is the German version, which has been pre-translated with DeepL in Translate5 and is transferred back via LocHub and the TAPICC protocol to WordPress. And here you see the adjusted segment which contained the wrong pre-translation.